Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the high-yield Olympus Myco mushroom substrate kit for growers. This premium blend features organic coco coir, vermiculite, and gypsum sourced right here in the USA. You receive stable dry ingredients to pasteurize at home for the freshest possible mushroom cultivation environment. This kit yields over 11 pounds of substrate to support massive growth in your favorite monotubs. You also receive 10 extra large and durable grow bags designed for substantial mushroom harvests. Straightforward instructions make the preparation process simple for both beginners and highly experienced mushroom cultivators. Achieve professional results and impressive yields with this balanced and nutrient-rich mushroom growing solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.